Hello everyone! Welcome to Jong's channel. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Riesa, Germany. It's a medium-sized town in Saxony and in the district of Meissen. So join me in our quick tour here in Riesa, Germany. Riesa is a town in the district of Meissen in Saxony, Germany. It is located on the river Elbe, approximately 40 kilometers northwest of Dresden. The world's first 110 kilovolt power line was installed between Riesa and Lauchhammer in 1912. Between 1952 and 1994, Riesa was the seat of a district. During the 1980s, Riesa was the headquarters of the group of Soviet forces in Germany's 9th Tank Division. The town grew from the start of the 20th century due to industrialization. The Trinity Church is a neo-Romanesque sacred building in Riesa with its 75-meter-high tower. The church dominates the cityscape. The church originally had 4 bronze bells, which had to be handed over in 1917 to be melted down for armament purposes. The new cast steel bells from 1921 survived the Second World War and still ring in a B minor chord today. The altar of the church was donated to the community. There is a sculpture depicting a scene of the Last Supper, topped by a limestone crucifix flanked by praying angels. Riesa has a 25-meter-tall, 234-ton cast iron sculpture of an oak trunk named Cuile, which means source of the Elbe, erected in 1999. A guild tree stood opposite the town hall since 2004. It symbolically expresses the power, tradition, and unity of the regional craftsmanship. The Riesa guild tree has 35 leaves on which the guild symbols of all craftsmen's guilds in the region are shown. The town hall originally emerged from a Benedictine monastery and the latter castle of manor owners. The building complex is almost completely covered by a wisteria tree, which is a nature reserve. Ayan, so nandito po tayo ngayon sa Deer Park nila, guys. So ito po yung animal park. Ayan, meron po dyang owl. Hi, owl! The foot of the historic monastery from the 12th century is the Deer Park of Riesa. The zoo, founded in 1965 by citizens of Riesa, is now home to around 300 animals of 70 selected species and breeds. The terraced outdoor area invites you to linger in the cozy places, while the children can use various play equipment and educational offers. In the east wing of the monastery, in addition to 3 large aquariums, there are several terrariums for invertebrates and rodents. So papasok po tayo doon sa guys, ito. Tapos punta tayo sa bridge. Wow! Ito po yung loob niya. Itong term na to, o yung tower na to. So punta tayo sa taas, no? Pasok tayo, tapos daan tayo doon sa bridge. So finally, nandito na po tayo sa exit. Galing doon sa baba. Wow! Ang ganda! So, tataas na pa tayo, guys. Diba? Amazing! As you leisurely stroll in the city center, you will also notice that Riesa also offers a diverse shopping opportunities that is everything your heart desires. On the other side of Riesa, you can find a place where a car parking area is made, and it is near the river Elbe. The view is relaxing and amazing, and you can do picnic and rest while enjoying the beautiful scenery around it.
Hello! So nandito po tayo ngayon sa kanilang guys, malapit dito sa Elbe River, no? Ang ganda. Oh, pasyal kayo dito. So if you come here in Riesa, wala po silang Strassen van sa loob ng kanilang syudad. So magkakaroon po kayo ng chance na magsakay ng bus, no, papunta dito sa maliit na town na to. At maliit lang naman po siya, pwede niyo po siyang lakarin, malilibot niyo lang po siya. At ma-enjoy din po kayo kasi marami po dito mga shopping malls, ayan, marami din po mga kainan, at pwede din po kayong pumasya sa kanilang Deer Park. So kung nais nyo pong mag-unwind at magkaroon pa kayo ng panahon, no, na mag-relax katabi dito sa kanilang Elbe River, dito sa likuran ko, yan. So meron po sila ditong mga upuan guys sa tabi-tabi, yung mga bato na pwede nyo pong tambayan, no. So kumain pa kayo dito, magdala pa kayo ng ice cream, mag-picnic, pwede po dito sa Riesa. Ay malapit lang naman po siya, no. So ang pinakamalapit na Hauptbahnhof po ng Riesa is Leipzig Hauptbahnhof. Ayan, so doon po kayo sumakay, papunta po yung way papuntang Dresden. So napakaganda po talaga niya guys. Oh, super relaxing. So I wanna invite you all to come and visit this place. So ano po masasabi ninyo dito sa Riesa, Germany guys? Diba napakaganda? Ayan, so sana po ay nagustuhan nyo po ang video na ito hatid ng Jong's channel. Hanggang sa susunod ko po mga travel. Cheers!
Mm-hmm.